The most common problem for national penitentiaries: A. Excessive number of inmates. B. Lack of funding. C. Sex problems. D. Discipline of inmates. Answer: A. Excessive number of inmates. Nobody can assume the suffering of a crime committed by others. A. Justice. B. Expiation. C. Deterrence. D. Personal. Answer: D. Personal. This states that incarceration should establish in the convicts the will to lead law-abiding and self-supporting lives after their release from prison. A. United States Standard Minimum Rules for the Treatment of Prisoners. B. Indeterminate Sentence Law. C. Prison Law. D. Probation Law. Answer: A. United States Standard Minimum Rules for the Treatment of Prisoners. It is considered the highest income earner among the Philippine correctional institutions. A. Iwahig Penal Colony. B. Davao Penal Colony. C. San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. D. Sablayan Prison and Farm. Answer: B. Davao Penal Colony. A person convicted to serve a sentence of 12 years of imprisonment would be classified as what kind of prisoner? A. Municipal prisoner. B. Provincial prisoner. C. National prisoner. D. Detention prisoner. Answer: C. National prisoner. It is an institution originally intended to detain or house political offenders. A. Iwahig Penal Colony. B. Davao Penal Colony. C. San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. D. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. Answer: C. San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. It is given to prisoners who have returned to their places of confinement within 48 hours after a calamity. A. Good conduct time allowance. B. Special time allowance. C. Visitation privilege. D. All of the above. Answer: B. Special time allowance. It has been noted as the best reform institution for young offenders. A. Pennsylvania system. B. Auburn system. C. Elmira Reformatory. D. Borstal institution. Answer: D. Borstal institution. What particular country utilized transportation of prisoners? A. Spain. B. Portugal. C. England. D. France. Answer: C. England. Which among the following is not among the classification of prisoners under Presidential Decree number 29? A. Municipal prisoners. B. Provincial prisoners. C. Insular prisoners. D. Detention prisoners. Answer D. Detention prisoners.